The lace go from her to her.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and today what we like to do is sip tea, wine, water. So let's go ahead and take a sip. We have a fantastic wig. Now this is the wig on my head right now. Say hi. Hi wig. Hey wig. This wig is from a brand named Nadula Hair from nadulatb, and I want to thank Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video and providing this gorgeous wig to me. This wig is a T-part closure curly human hair wig in 24 inches. It is a curly human hair wig with a T-part closure. There you go. Now this wig, it does have lace, but it only has a little bit of lace, okay? The lace go from her to her, and then the rest of it is cap. So I had to put some little faux baby hairs for the wind effect. When the wind blows, we want to be prepared. We don't want wig just to be out here in the street. Let me show y'all the curls, because this is a curl. Let me go ahead and show y'all the curls in the back. I like to give y'all girls a look. That's what the curls look like in the back. Now, as for the cap construction for this wig, it has a fake scalp, which means there's a piece of cloth under the lace that's supposed to look like skin. It also has 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. Since this wig is a lace closure wig, we had to customize her in a different way to make her look like she's growing out of the scalp. We want to make this wig look more like a lace frontal wig and less like a lace closure wig. If you do want to see how I customize this wig, please keep on watching. Okay, y'all, let's start off with this beautiful wig. Look how pretty this is. Y'all know I'm in love with a good curly big old unit. It is a 4x4 fake scalp closure, and she's got tracks. She's a trackiana. She's got tracks on either side, and then you would part it down the middle. I lost the part when I washed the wig, but that's okay, girl. We gonna fix it. We gonna get it back. Let's move along. Let's go ahead and try her on. I have on my wig grip and my wig cap to protect my very damaged natural hair in the back, because I just looked at my hair today and it's like I never got my hair cut. I don't know what I've been doing. Let's see what she's giving. Oh, ooh, but the curls though. I mean, like, come on. Yes. This is a T-part closure wig. So the part goes into a T. It goes from here to here. I just not realized what that was. There is a lace part here and a lace part here, but there are tracks behind this lace part in the front. So what we want to do, because it's still a little bit thicker right here than I would like, which gives off closure vibes, I want to pluck it. Y'all know I love to pluck. It's my new zhuzh. It's my new thing. Y'all know when it comes to plucking, I like to use a little eyebrow kit. Why am I always out of breath? We're going to part away where the tracks are, and then we're going to pluck. So this is the front part. And I'm just going to pluck behind the hairline first, and then I'm going to go to the front. Okay, so now that we did our front area, ooh, this hair is soft. So we have to create an actual part that's in the center of our head. Is this the center? Oh, that looks like it's about right. And now we're gonna pluck in the little part area. Oh, I poked a hole in it. Oh my goodness. We got a good part going, like something pronounced. We're gonna be molding this part. I'm gonna be using my flattening souffle, and we're just gonna add a little bit to the hairline. Well, a lot of it. Well, that's probably too much. It's gonna take a long time to dry. Dang it. We're gonna mold this middle part too. Okay, so I'm gonna use my little baby hairbrush. Now this is I would love to call it a toothbrush because that's what we used to use when I was a kid, but we're going to use the baby hairbrush and just brush the hair backwards. Okay, so now that's flat. We got our wrapit strips. These things are just everything. Got these from my local beauty supply store for $1.79. And I'm just going to place it down. So we're going to wrap it on here and allow it to mold for, I would say 15 to 20 minutes. Now you can let it air dry or you can use a blow dryer. I will be using a blow dryer because I got other things to do. Okay, so this feels like it's dry. It's been like, I want to say 10 minutes or so. Hazard signs. I'm about to flatten this on my head, but I have my wig grip on my forehead to protect my head. And since this is curly hair, I'm not going to go all the way through the hair. I'm going to just go through the roots. Ooh, okay. You know, I like that little lift moment. This side look completely different from this side, don't it? These are like eyebrow scissors, but they're really sharp. So I'm gonna use this and I'm just gonna cut the lace off. Okay, so now that everything's all cut up, we can prep our base. Y'all already know what my base prep looks like. My forehead is hot. Did I burn my forehead? We're just gonna brush all of this back. Wow, my hair is ashy, sus. Y'all know Will Smith's ex-wife has a brand called Whoop Ash. So I'm gonna use this wig cap. This wig cap is the same color, is a similar color to my skin tone. So now that the cap is on, we can apply the wig once again. Wow, that makes my forehead look big though. I like to lay it down using the Got To Be High Insta Hold spray. I'm gonna start using some more sprays, but if y'all have recommendations for like wig sprays that y'all want me to try and review, please let me know down below. And we're gonna take the brush. We're going to use the brush to apply it to my forehead. I always reference LaRasia Andrea because I got the method from her. She's a genius. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, placed. Is this right? Okay, she's placed. Oh, she's in place. Okay. Oh, she's on there. Oh, yes, tug test. Okay, so to get rid of this little highlighter situation, I'm gonna take this color, which is my contour color, and see if I can remedy that situation. But you can still kind of see it. Oh, girl, I can't be fooling with that. Let me go ahead and fool with this part. I'm gonna use what I use under my eyes. I'm gonna use the the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the color Fawn, and then I'm going to use an angle brush. I use this angle brush for everything, and it's in the eyebrow kit, period. Ooh, that part is light, child. We're going to press our finger into it just a little bit. Should I use a little bit of this powder? See if we can set it. We just set it a little bit. And we're going to start by trying to lay down my baby hairs. So, of course, we're using the Got To Be Glue Gel. It's supposed to be non-sticky, but that is a lie. It's a lie from the pits of hell. I'm going to take a couple of these hairs, see if I can finagle them into some baby hair. Just like a little bit. It's fine, girl. We're going to have to leave that like that. Now we can do the easy baby hair. I'm gonna let that sit. I don't know what type of style I want to do on this hair. I may ruin this hair, so please forgive me, but I think I want to cut like a little bit more layeration in the front of the hair. So once you make a decision, girl, you can't think about it too much. Okay, so my hair is mostly dry. Now I can go ahead and take my hair down. I kind of did like a little layering situation. I don't even know if I like it. Like, I don't. Oh, ooh. I do like this though. We love. There is a lot of baby hair on this side. But as far as like the hair, oh my God, I think it looks so cute. I like the motion that it's giving. You get more movement. That's what I was going for. I'm a professional. Oh, let me go ahead and show you the back. I don't even think I showed y'all the back. Let me show you the back of what it looks like. Okay, so this is the finished look. I love the hair. I love the fluff. And once I cut it, I got a little bit more movement and body in the front. And I love that for me. Now, I do have a coupon code. I'll go ahead and leave it down below if you'd like to go ahead and purchase the wig from Nadula Hair. Y'all let me know what you think of this hair down below. Grab your tea. I want to say thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.